Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick recipe which is white fry brinjal. Here I have two large brinjal and I have a dish with cold water and a teaspoon of salt in it. So as I'm going to cut my brinjal, I'm going to put it straight away into the salted water. This avoids the brinjal from getting black. So I'm going to quickly cut my brinjal. Here's my brinjal that I cut. For my rest of the ingredients, I have a quarter cup of oil, one large onion sliced, a teaspoon of old jeera, and a teaspoon of mustard seed. Here I have 3 cloves of garlic that are roughly sliced, and I have 3 dry chillies and a teaspoon of salt to taste. And thereafter I'm going to add in 2 green chillies, and for braising I'm going to use a stem of curry leaf, and on top, after it's cooked, I'm just going to put a splash of olive oil to it. This is a very simple recipe using a very few items, and this is one meal that we used to cook all the time at my in-laws' house. Now I'm ready to braise. I've got my heat on low and I've got a non-stick frying pan. This recipe is slightly different, where I'm going to add in my garlic first to my pan, and I'll allow this garlic to roast a little without any oil. My garlic is roasted, and by roasting the garlic gives us a additional flavor to our brinjal. Now I'm just going to add in my oil. Add in my onions. I'll allow these onions to fry out soft. My onions are fried out soft. So to my onions, I'm going to add in my mustard seed, my whole jeera, my dry chilies, and my curry leaf. I'm also ready to put in my sliced brinjal. And I'm also going to add in my salt. I'm going to use my lid and cover this. Firstly, I'll give it a mix. Maybe for 10 minutes while it's covered, it will cook. And thereafter, it's going to cook without the lid. It has been about 20 minutes, and now my brinjal has gone soft and it's coming to the fry. Now I'll just add in my green chilies to it. And I'm just going to put a little splash of olive oil. Just a little. I'll allow this to fry without the lid on, and I'll allow it to get brown. Here's my brinjal all done up. And how you know when it's done? When it just start to stick to your pot. Looking nice and lovely. Fried up very beautiful. Now I'm ready to switch the stove off and serve. Here you go, your lovely white fry brinjal. Very simple and it tastes delicious with some nice roti on the side. You can also serve it with some lovely soft white bread, making it to a sandwich. That's how we used to eat it when we was on the farm. Thank you all for watching and give this a try and enjoy.